Hey everyone, it's Kristen, and today I'm doing this Valentine's Day inspired heart-shaped clown makeup look. To start this look, I'm going to use a white face paint and create a heart-like shape. For the eye look, I'm going to be using the Jeffree Androgyny palette for the burgundy red shade. And I'm going to use this to create a cut crease shape on the eye. Next, I'll be using the Juvia's Place Warrior palette for the lighter red shade. Next, I'm using the Juvia's Place Berries palette for the light pink shade, keeping it close to the inner cut crease. Then for the middle of the eye, I continue using the lighter red shade. Then near the lashes, I'm creating a eyeliner type shape with the dark burgundy red shade. Next, I fill in the heart shape with white face paint. Then I used a Milani foundation to fill in the areas around the outside of the heart. And of course, my camera cut out and did not show you me making the mask look more 3D by adding shadow around the outside of it. But I will go ahead and show you kind of a little bit how I did it. I used the gray matte eyeshadow and just went around the outside. Then I kind of made it more blended out to create a shadow type look. Then after I blended it out, I used a little bit of black eyeshadow just around the frame, just to make it look like a little bit more shadowed. Then using red face paint, I created a sort of triangle clown shape under the eye. Then for like the Valentine's Day heart theme, I put little hearts at the ends. Then for the blush, I used a very bright pink and kept it in a very small circle shape. For the nose, I used red and white face paint, using the white to kind of make it look like it's gleaming in the light. Next, I use a lip liner to create a clown shape for the lips, making it look more pointy and elongated. I used a darker burgundy to line the outer sides of the lips and used a brighter red for the middle. Then I use the Neutrogena Healthy Lengths mascara just to put on the lashes, but I do top this with false lashes later on. For the neck piece, I'm using white, red, and black face paint to create a clown-like collar. And I'm going to give it a striped design. Once the lines were filled in, I felt like the look needed a little something extra, so I decided to put some rhinestones into the look. I put a few red rhinestones on the eye look and adhered them with eyelash glue. For the ones I used on the neck and chest area, I used spirit gum. I also decided I wanted more hearts in this look and added a couple to the chest area and then covered them with rhinestones. Then to complete the look, I used this black and red pigtail wig. And that completes this Valentine's Day inspired heart clown makeup look. I was inspired to do this for Valentine's Day, but you could definitely use this and adapt it to other clown makeup looks. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope to see you guys again soon.